It's Lupe again here with Porsche in Colorado Springs. And here's the 2014 911 GT3. We're still working this through the reconditioning process. It has yet to finish through service. It has yet to get a detail, but this will be available here really soon. Once it's all done, it'll be certified. You'll have Porsche's unlimited mile warranty for 2 years, starting on the date of purchase. This one is in white, and along the inside, it has the leather interior in black with some Alcantara on the seat centers. It's on the armrest. You got some on the headliner. Currently sitting at 19,049 miles as it sits right now. I'll touch more on the inside in just one moment. Let me go around the outside and have a closer look at this with you. This one is a previous owner vehicle. It started new here and then it just was traded back in, which is pretty neat. PPF, some people call it clear mask. It's along the entire front bumper, all of the hood, a small portion of the fender right up until there. Same thing on the other side. On this side, I saw PPF on the mirror covers and this section right here on the stone guard. Looks like this has been extended to protect it. Little spots down here has no PPF. You can see where debris has made contact. That's pretty minimal. The major spots have been protected. Along the front, looking really close at this, there's a couple bug guts that'll come out once the detail team gets a hold of it. The lower lip, looking really closely, I see a little bit of scuffing right down on here on this section. Little tiny bit right there, but it's not cracked. It's not damaged by any means, just a little bit of scuffing right there. The wheels, these are all in great shape. There's no curb rash on any of those. On the back, let's look at these. I think those are in pretty good condition. Along the inside, let me show you. Look at this. So this is all in pretty great shape. Seats are in good condition. So is the driver one. I'll show you over there in just one moment. Let me close this. The roof, also in great shape. Nothing that sticks out. Along the back, just looking really closely, more PPF on this little section right here. Goes all the way down. Here's a little blemish I saw right above. You can see it right there, very, very small. More PPF on this small section right here behind the front wheels. I thought that was a good little touch right there. Along the back, let's have a closer look. So I looked into the history. This does have the E engine. The original one, it had the recall performed. It all checked out great. Nothing to worry about there. It'll be CPO. So you have Porsche's unlimited mile warranty in case something should happen. Well, I highly doubt it. But it's there to give you peace of mind. Along the inside, let's have a closer look. We have black leather with this brushed aluminum. Those are the inlays that go across the dash onto the other side. That ties in well with the color on the GT3 logos right there. Here in the center section, we have race techs. Same thing on the seat centers. These seats, they're powered. So you get up, down, this electric seat back. And to move it forward and back, you have to use a little lever down here. That'll move it forward and back. All right, let's have a closer look along the inside. We have Sport Chrono. Gives you the stopwatch up there. The tachometer, that's in gray, looks pretty nice. 19,049 miles as it sits right now. Leather across the dash is all in great shape. The infotainment screen looks good. Let's see if there's any CDs in there. No, nothing in there. Our climate control system. The buttons are all in great shape. They're not fading, they're not wearing, they're not sticky. Heated seats, the gear selector, the steering wheel. Just feeling, looking, this appears to be in pretty good condition. And here in the middle, let's have a closer look. We have the front axle lift, sport exhaust system. You can hear a little more rumble right there. All right, I hope this video helps. If this one's of interest to you, please reach out to me right away. My cell phone number is 719-761-7550. Bye-bye.